Welcome, dear home seeker. Let's embark on a tour of this charming contemporary year-round camp, a haven that offers beach and boating rights to the serene Lower Kimball Pond. As we step into the main level, you'll immediately notice the open layout that exudes a sense of spaciousness. The efficient floor plan is designed for modern living. To our right, we have a cozy kitchen and dining area, complete with a heartwarming pellet stove and hearth, perfect for those chilly winter nights. Adjacent to the kitchen, we find the living area. The vaulted ceiling adds an air of grandeur and openness to the space. This level also houses a compact bedroom and a full bath equipped with laundry hookups, adding to the convenience. Now, let's ascend to the upper level. Here, we find 2 comfortable bedrooms and a handy half bath. The high-efficiency heating system ensures a warm and cozy atmosphere during the colder months, while the central AC keeps the home cool during the summer. The property's location is another of its many assets. It's conveniently situated close to North Conway and Fryeburg Village, offering a perfect blend of tranquility and accessibility. Please note, the property does require a new well and some plumbing repairs. It's being sold ASIS, reflecting its price of $169,900 by the time of recording this video. This home, with its charm and potential, awaits its new owner who can bring it to its full glory. Thank you for joining me on this tour. I hope you found it informative and helpful in your home buying journey. If you would like to know more about this home and it's still available, please click on the link in the description under Property Link.